you guys? It's a girl Lizzie Queen and welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video we're gonna do a unboxing video. Yeah guys, a long time I'm gonna do them something. I never want to do it no because I don't package them not reach it, but I would have not reach, so I say why not? Probably when the other rest of packages are here, we can do another unboxing. But today is an Amazon unboxing video. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and of course subscribe. Make sure you guys click that notification bell so you guys will be notified when your girl has posted a video. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at its_just_Melanie. You guys can keep updated and tell me what kind of video you guys would like to see. And yeah, let's get into this video. So alright guys, more focus. Anyways guys, so as I was saying, all of these packages are from Amazon. Some are promoted videos, so if you guys want to see those promoted videos, you guys go over to my TikTok at dcqueen_Melanie, and I'll be putting the link down below. So yeah guys, so I will be putting the link down below to that on TikTok. So we're gonna start off with the smallest. Yeah guys, the pull, because more than one of us are order, so we have to know if if phone is a phone. But I don't know why Amazon have to do this. Like one look at something in a this big level thing. Like why I make me pay extra money for women I have already. But anyways, this is for promotion. Lash, I'm gonna do my lash on TikTok, so make sure you guys go over there so you guys can see that. But yes, these lashes are cute. I'm gonna take it out of the packet so you can see better. There we go. So these are the DIY lashes. You know why we're why I run the place. What are they? What are they, guys? Yeah guys, so after 2,000 years later I finally get to pull it. KLHYIT on Amazon. Look, it is so soft guys, like Jesus. Now so them lashes just feel so real. Them feel so real guys, like I can't believe this. But yeah guys, go over there, go over to my TikTok at dcqueen_Melanie. I'll be posting a video with these. Amazing. Why? But yeah guys, let's go on to the next one. Again, Amazon, stop put the things them in this big level bag. Stop putting the things them in this huge bag. I'm gonna show you guys what in the bag. And this big bag have this little something. Look. Look what in there. And Amazon put it in this. Like them don't have the little bag them. But yes guys, this is the lashes, this is the seal and the bun by TMIELYBS. Let me pull it out and show you guys. So this is from a different company. This is from a different company from the lash. And I'll be putting this link too on my TikTok in my link tree. So yeah guys, girl is back on our influencer journey. So if you guys want me to do any videos on my YouTube or on my TikTok, you guys can surely reach out to your girl via email at campbelldonet1@gmail.com. I'll be putting that down in the description also. Next, So guys, this is another box with another little product in it. I don't know why Amazon have to do this, but anyways, this is a earphone. So it's a TW wireless earphone, and it's from okay, I'm not seeing where it's from, but this is also a promotional product. Yeah guys, I always want an earphone, so yeah, let's go on to the next one. Let me see, let's see what does it say. It says Bluetooth Vira 5.3 wireless, comfortable to ears, high definition of sound quality, ear case charger time 2 hour, earphone charger time 1 hour, earphone case battery life for 12 hour, earphone call durations 4 hour, earphone music duration 4 to 5 hours. So it is pretty much good. It's good, and everybody can use it. Your auntie, your uncle, your sister, your brother, your aunt, your granny, your grandfather. Because when they show you that project, old people them show you. When they promote it, them show you old people, so it's comfortable to the ears. Okay. I don't remember the name of the company, but I will surely put it down in the description box below so you guys can go and shop it. It is very affordable. So yes, now this one is for my little seafood business, this big box. Oh, so I'm gonna start a little seafood business. So I want it look foreignish. My seafood have to look foreign, because where I'm at, we barely have seafood places that looks foreign, like international, so I am going to do the seafood thing. So your girl buy your par seasoning them pans Amazon. So this is Slap Your Mama. They said it's a Cajun season, a good Cajun blend. So we're gonna try it out. But what I'm gonna do, I am going to make a seafood boil for myself before I start to sell it out to other people. So to test the seasoning there, get what I say? Yeah. So this is Slap Your Mama. It's a 4 ounce. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Probably should I buy the 8 ounce or the bigger ounce, but we're gonna test it out. Slap Your Mama. This is the Zate Rains crayfish, shrimp, and crab bowl boiling bag. I always see them use this palm videos, so we're gonna try this out. Also, we have the Obey seasoning. Yeah, your girl is ready. We have the Obey seasoning. It's for crab, shrimp, and you can use it on your chicken. We buy our lemon zest or lemon pepper seasoning. Yeah guys, your girl is international. We're international, and guys, these are so affordable. It never cost me no bag of money. I'm gonna put it in my Amazon storefront, so you guys can also purchase it from my storefront. Okay. I'll put the link to Amazon storefront in the description box. And these are the bags that we're gonna use to put the seafood in. I think I should have bought more. It comes 10 packs. Come in this 10 packs. So yeah guys, when I do my seafood restaurant opening, I'm gonna video it, so no will see. And when I cook it the first time, I'm gonna video it. So yeah guys, as I'm supposed to have more packages coming, so when I get those, I will do an unboxing for you guys also. And I want to drop on my other channel. May I wait on some for come so I can drop on my other channel also. So yeah guys, this is a vape. A vape pen. But I don't even know how to use it. Well, I figure out how to use this, but we don't know how to use it right now. Ooh, pepper. But yeah, guys, that is the end of our unboxing video. That's the end of our unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and of course, subscribe. And make sure you guys go over to my TikTok at dcqueen_melanin to see when I'm applying our lashes and using our promotional products. And so you can go click my link in my TikTok and go purchase the product them. Support a girl. Also, make sure I put them here in my Amazon storefront. The seasoning, I'm gonna put everything, the seasoning, the lashes, the band and seal. We're gonna put the earphone in it also, so you guys can go over there. Easy purchase, easy purchase. So don't have to run up and down and look all over the place. You can just click the link down below, which I go say Amazon storefront, and just go purchase that. Okay guys, okay, love you guys and see you guys in the next video. Peace.